Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to reset passwords for your GoFundMe account. GoFundMe is a fundraising app where you can raise funds for any kind of events, charity, or even any kind of cause that you feel is important. So if you have forgotten your password for GoFundMe account, then this video is just for you. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now, click on the search bar. Type www.gofundme.com. Press enter. Here you can see the official website of GoFundMe. If you look at the top, you can see many options like search, donate, fundraise, about, sign in, start a GoFundMe. Now, if you want to reset your password, click on sign in. Now you can see the sign in page. Now all you have to do is click on the forgot your password option, which is right below the password box. Now you have to enter your email address. After you enter your email address, look at the bottom. You can see two options over here, return to sign in and request password reset. You have to click on request password reset. Now you can see here the instructions to reset my password has been sent to my email. Now you have to check your email. Simply open new tab. See at the top right corner, you can see several options like Gmail, images, etc. Click on the Gmail. Here you can see GoFundMe has sent me an email. So now you can see the email of GoFundMe. Here you can see the reset password button. All you have to do is click on it. Now you have to enter your new password. Now also confirm your new password. Now click on the set password button. Now you can see here my password has been successfully changed. So that's how you reset password for your GoFundMe account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.